Coast Guard,
Approaching 3302.
3302.
Patrol within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone.
We are reminded that the China is
Distance sir 1.2 nautical miles. Speed niya sir 6.
Well embodied in the naming of the island and reefs in the South China Sea.
Well, the Philippine Coast Guard successfully supported the resupply mission of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. We deployed two Philippine Coast Guard vessels, BRP Sindangan and BRP Cabra. They departed Palawan last 21 August, and yesterday afternoon they were able to successfully support the resupply mission of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. We don't need to ask permission from the Chinese government. As far as the Philippine government is concerned, Ayungin Shoal falls within the exclusive economic zone of our country. Secondly, I also don't agree that they are extending humanitarian act for our soldiers to receive supply. As a matter of fact, the Philippine Coast Guard vessels, we have the videos and photos. Those embedded journalists also have their own recording of what really transpired during the resupply operation. The resupply boats and the Philippine Coast Guard vessels both experienced the harassment and the blocking of all these boats for us to be prevented in entering Ayungin Shoal. Well, as far as the national government is concerned, and for the Philippine Coast Guard, we don't really need to explain what are the supplies that we are bringing on board BRP Sierra Madre. Whether those are just food or those are construction supplies, there's no reason for us to explain to the People's Republic of China, and there's also no reason for us to ask permission from them as to what types of materials are we going to bring on board. Because as I said, Ayungin Shoal is within the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines.